contemporary foreign and economic policy of the Philippines. Hi everyone, today I'm going to share a short discussion about the contemporary foreign and economic policy of the Philippines. So let's start with the foreign policy. The Philippines follow what we call an independent foreign policy. This means that while we maintain a good relationship with other countries, we always put the interests of our nation and our people first. We continue to strengthen our ties with the United States, work closely with our Asian neighbors, and build partnerships with countries like China, Japan, and South Korea. Our government also focuses on the promoting peace and security, especially in the West Philippine Sea, and protecting the welfare of overseas Filipino workers around the world. Now, let's move on to the economic policy. The Philippines government's economic policy aims to achieve inclusive growth and sustainable development. This includes attracting foreign investments, creating more job opportunities, and improving our country's infrastructure through projects like Build a Better More. The government also supports a small business, strengthens digital innovation, and continues to recover from the pandemic's impact on our economy. These efforts help ensure that progress is felt not only by big companies but also by ordinary Filipinos. In summary, the Philippines' foreign and economic policy work hand in hand to build a stronger nation, maintain a good relationships with other countries, and improve the lives of our people. Thank you for the listening.